Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, I wanted to film this video because I wanted to show you some project shares using the Fancy Free collection. This is a little bit of an older collection by Paige Evans. As you can see, the paper is so beautiful, very colorful. I think this is perfect for springtime summery kind of projects. Anyway, so I got this from Tuesday morning, and the challenge was I wanted to see what I can come up with using just the paper alone. So I didn't have any ephemera pieces. Pretty much I don't have anything else. The challenge is not having anything else other than the paper pack, and see what you can come up with. I'm going to show you all the outputs, or like the products that we have that we were able to produce without anything else other than the paper pack, because there's so many things that you can do by just the paper pack itself. And with that said, I still have so much paper left, so there's still more projects to come with this paper pad. So if you like this paper pad and you like these kinds of videos, I would absolutely appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back, and thanks for watching. So this is a Fancy Free collection. Let me start by giving you a close-up of what we have. Gorgeous papers. We're gonna go through the papers that we have left. So this is all single-sided, same as any kind of Tuesday morning paper that we get. It's all single-sided. So many ideas for this one. But I thought that somebody who might see this video, it may spark their creativity and kind of inspire them. Because that's how it is for me too. When I see somebody, it sparks something, and it makes me creative by getting inspired by people's videos. So I wanted to do the same thing, kind of pay it forward. So we have a lot more papers left, as you can see. So I was very thrifty when I used this paper. I really wanted to maximize it, so I'm very excited to still have so much more left. I think I got this from Tuesday morning, perhaps 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years ago when we just moved in to this house. So I think it kind of repeats. Yeah. So it repeats. So I was able to do some number of projects with this collection. I think this is such a beautiful collection to have. That could be a staple, throughout the seasons. So let's start with the projects that we have. As always, I normally start with a traveler's notebook. The size of this it's just an 8x8 paper, and then you score it in half. So it's going to give you a 4x8 traveler's notebook. So I used my favorite stapler right there. And so before I put this printed paper, I put the ribbon first, just so it has a closure. And then with this collection, I used the Tim Holtz sentiment that I've been using for a while. This one, the Tim Holtz ideology, small talk. And I normally get this at Joann's, but you can also get it at Amazon if you don't have access to your local Joann's. So we're just gonna go through it. It's just nice to have something that's all coordinated. They're also pretty. So the pack had these flowers in them, so I fussy cut them all, and I thought it made it so cute. The colors matched, and I love the way it turned out. So this was like at the end of the page of the scrapbook, so I just did that and put it at the end of the page as well. And then some cute sentiments, and then I signed the back part. So that's the first product. And then made some of these rosettes. And then another plain traveler's notebook. Maybe at the end of this session I will be doing like the 3 signatures, and then like a traveler's notebook that I did for my previous video. Let me show you. Like this one, laminating the pages on the front and then having multiple signatures. This is the one that I brought to my trip, and then, you know, I just journaled while we were there, and then, you know, I just put some ephemera pieces. Let me know if you want to see this traveler's notebook in action. Anyway, so maybe that's what I'm going to do with this one. That would be so cute to do because it all coordinates. So that's the second traveler's notebook that we have. And then we have another rosette. I used the crepe paper, a gold crepe paper from Hobby Lobby. I didn't like it very much, but you know, it was an attempt. It was a creative moment. So yeah, that's the second. And then here's some more leftovers from that paper pack that could be used as inserts, or more things that we can use for cut aparts and more embellishments like bows or use of your die cut machine and everything. So here is like I made a bag topper using these doilies from the Dollar Tree, and then it already has pre-packaged goodies in there. So the paper bows that I normally do, I use a Stampin' Up! Paper bow punch, and then another rosette, and then the fussy cut flower for decoration. Here's a small envelope. I used the envelope punch for this one, and then I just put a bow. I thought it's cute and decorative. Like a mini file folder, if you want to put some hidden journaling in there, that would be so cute. And then here is another bag topper that's ready to be put in a bag. See possibility everywhere. That would be cute. And then some Sizzix paper cups. This is the bigger size ones. I will be using this paper, the small ones, like the Stampin' Up! Size one. This is, I think this is called a matchbook. Very small mini album. This is probably for taking notes, or like you can put your passwords in here. You know, if you tend to forget your passwords to certain websites, this would be cute to do, or some phone numbers. You know, just has a few pages. That's why I thought this would be perfect for passwords. And then you just seal it up like that. I just stapled it with a tiny attacher. And then here's some more. I don't know what these are called. It looks like gift bags, but these are envelopes, scalloped envelopes. I hope you can see that. I don't know if I should break it apart. Let me just show you what it has inside. I think it's good to see. It's good to show you what we have in here. So these are old. This is probably like 2009 Stampin' Up! Sizzix dies, big cake dies. So this is, it has some stitching and some scallops, and this is a die from Stampin' Up! Maybe you can find it in eBay. I'm sure it's no longer available in the Stampin' Up! Catalog, but this is the size of this envelope. I don't think you can put a gift card, but it can hold notes or money. So this specific pack has 3 of them with different sentiments. And then here's another mini bow and another coffee cup. It just got confusing because of the paper that I used in there. Here is a stick embellishment. It has a banner there, and then another rosette and some bows. And here's some more decorative elements. I just used like a stick from the dollar store and cut it just to make like this from the Dollar Tree. And you just cut it to the appropriate size that you like. Next one is, this is another scalloped envelope using different paper, just like this, but using different paper. And then inside it is like a folder. So inside that, I put a folder in there. So then this one are 4 bows that match the collection perfectly. I used the paper and my favorite coffee cups. This is a Sizzix size coffee cup. It's called Fresh. Let me tell you, Fresh Brewed. This is the Tim Holtz one. It's item 660232, Fresh Brewed. So this is what it looks like. So you have an option to make a frap. You can cut this with vellum, and then you can make a straw out of it too. I just used this one, just a simple one, because I was just experimenting on it. Here's another version with a different color. I just used these paper because it was the scraps that I had left over after making the traveler's notebook. And here's some more mini envelopes using the We Are Memory Keepers punch. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that project share. I'll keep you updated if I make any more using this paper collection. And after I've used all the paper, definitely this is going to be a giveaway for my subscribers. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care and have a crafty, wonderful day. Bye! So guys, here's just some close-up of the stuff that we made together, if you're interested in seeing the details of all this. Have fun, take care, scrap that stash, and have a wonderful crafty day. Bye!